I've got a vintage Singer 201 with some black side parts, one under the ornate cap under the spool, and also the knob on the thread tension. The serial number is AG342839, which dates it to 1942. I was only in a production of 10,000 that year, and production was stopped for the war and picked up again in 1946. The machine is low use, it's very good condition, it runs very strong, and basically I'm going to show you how well it works. I've got 6 layers of denim, and they were stitched once for a photo used in the ad. There you can see it's got an equal stitch. Next I've got 4 layers of vinyl upholstery. Again, these were stitched once. And there you can see equal stitch again. And then finally I've got 4 layers of a thin leather, typically found on dress jackets. There you can see that's got equal stitch too.